Welcome, welcome, welcome to Story Time with me, Miss Sheila. I hope you're having a wonderful and beautiful day. Today's story is a very unique story called Unspoken, and it's a story from the Underground Railroad. But when I looked at it, I'm thinking, oh, so it says Unspoken. So and there's no words in the book, just pages. So I'm going to hold the pages up and then we can go through them and see what we see, okay? So it's Unspoken and it's about the Underground Railroad. Let's get into it. So this is just the front picture, and the person's had said they're doing it for their librarian friend who long ago ignited the spark that lit the lantern for them to do the story. So look what we see on this page here. So this is taken, I believe, from the 1860s, 1861, 1864, during the American Civil War. So there's a little girl with her cow on her farm, and there you see some soldiers. And see the little girl is watching the soldiers leave her land. I think that would have been a very scary time. So she's feeding her chicken, doing her daily chores. There's Mama probably telling her to go collect the chicken eggs. Okay, look at her face. Hope she hears something. What could it be? Something behind these, what do you call this again? Like corn husk things. Look very closely. What do you see in the corn husks? Is that an eye right there? So it could be somebody hiding there. Oh, so she got scared, so she runs home. She's probably not sure what to do. So now it's supper time and they're sitting, eating. But look at her. She's wondering about the person that's in the barn. So she's going back to check on them. And look, she's carrying something in her hand there. What do you think it could be? Look, she brought some food from whoever is in the hiding behind those corn husks. She goes back into her place. Goes and grabs more food. She is doing her chores again. And look at, she sees the soldiers again. The shoulders, the soldiers come back, actually come into the house this time, and they have a thing that they say wanted. They're looking for escaped slaves. So that means they're looking for the people that did not want to be slaves, uh, um, to take them back to wherever they thought whoever owned them. But really, people can't own other people. And here she's like hiding behind the door, listening to see what's it all about. Because maybe that's who's in the barn. So see, she's even peering through the door now. And there the soldiers are leaving again. And they took one of the horses. So she's brave. She goes back out to the barn to go help the people. And look, they leave her a corn husk doll. And she's back in bed praying that they're probably safe, hoping that they're safe, and that she got the present from them. And that was like one of the huge things back in that time. You know, it was a safe place if there was a candle in the window, a lantern. So at the back is just talking, the author's notes, it's talking about like the Underground Railroad and how they heard stories of people that lived that life, and how courage it was to be able to live in those times. And it's something that we should never forget, because we never want to make sure that people are not enslaved again. No, it's not right. Everybody has a right to have freedom, and everybody has a right to have a job and live and do all that they can do to be their best selves. So I hope you enjoyed this quiet story, this picture book, and that it moved you. So I hope you have a wonderful and beautiful day, and you keep shining your beautiful light. Until next time with me, Miss Sheila. Take care. Bye.